So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another video where I'm going to talk about the touring essentials, which is at a good cost and also at a good quality, right from the bridge which is at Nagarjuna Sagar. So that's the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, and this is my Dominar. So what are the necessary touring essentials for the Dominar is what I'm going to talk on this video. So let me start with the first one, the elephant in the room, and that is the studs top box. So this studs top box costed me around 12 to 1400 rupees, and the top rack, this is the Himalayan inspired top rack but made custom for the Dominar, where you get the mounting plate which is towards the sidewise, and hence you can fit to the rear handle of the Dominar. So this is, I believe, 20 liters, and an Indian helmet, full face helmet, can fit inside this. So this is the first number one price to want the rear vehicles. So that's how it is. And then the other thing which I would like to tell is the knuckle guard. Knuckle guard is around 1200. So this fits outside the bar and mount, so that also is an essential thing. Fitting goes into ways. One is the bar and mount screw, and as well with the knuckle guard you get this P-shape hinge which goes to the handlebar like this and gets connected over here. Just make sure that your wiring is not coming in way, so that it doesn't impact any of the braking or acceleration cables. So that is also important. The touring visor, I would not call it as a touring visor, but a substitute for a touring visor, just 280 rupees. What I did is I bolted it to the existing visor of the Dominar. You also have another visor which is for 1400 rupees, which gets directly mounted to the to the screws of the front visor. So that also is important. And then the other thing which mounts, and this one again costed me around 1400 rupees. They give a 1 inch rise for the handlebar, which is good, and with this you can actually do saddle riding, and you can stand up and comfortably reach the handlebar. So that is also a good thing. And this is how it looks from this side. Apart from that, I guess these are like major things. And I also got the tank pad again, just as a necessity, and also aesthetically it looks good. Matches the dark the dull black paint scheme, and it also does give some protection, so that also is a good thing. So this, I feel, are the necessary touring essentials that you need to have for a Dominar, which will certainly enhance your overall ride and makes it more enjoyable, because you can't keep carrying a lot of stuff. I also have a tank bag, but because the Dominar's tank is not metal, you need to tie the tank bag over here, and that is from, I think that the company is Strada. That also costed me around like 2300, but has lot of space in it, so you can fit that also. Products in the description notes, if there, it will help the channel. And couple of safety things that I would also like to talk about are a few things. One is the gloves. So this gloves is half gloves. You can also get a full gloves, roughly around 250 to 300 rupees. So these gloves come with the padding over here for your palm, and also there is a knuckle guard protection. So I took half gloves mainly for some ventilation. And then I also have jacket, the Buhan riding jacket, and this one is from AliExpress. Costed me around 2800, so pretty good deal. I forgot to tell you that on the mirrors I also put this small concave mirror, so that I can have a 180-degree view on both the sides. So that also helps for any blind spots where your shoulder is covering. This mirror can sort it out. So And then I think the biggest thing for personal safety would be the helmet. And I did a separate video about this helmet. This is the Axor helmet, and it is costed me around like close to 3,500, which is good deal. And it does a pretty decent job. Mainly it is light, and second thing is it has pretty good of wind protection, and also it has a chin mount, so the air which goes through the chin, it kind of deflates it with the chin mount. So all in all, these are the touring essentials. And also I would like to talk about this boots. So these costed me around just 650 or around 700 rupees, and they have good grip and are really good for doing long tours, and they flex also. So all in all, I guess this sums up the entire touring kit, and also for the bike as well as for yourself. So again, I will leave the links to all these products in the YouTube description notes, and I hope this view is captured or getting captured nicely in the GoPro. But yeah, so that was that we are at a pretty, so that's what it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and yep, see you in the next one. Bye bye.